Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chase Travel portal to book your hotel flights and hotel stays. So first off, you need to go to chase.com and make sure to sign in. Great. So once you're in this window, just click one of your cards, and for this one, I'm going to select my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So in this window, look at this section right here where it says redeem. So make sure to click this. Then you will need to hover and select travel, and over here click book travel. Once you do that, it's going to take you to Chase's travel portal. So this one, you can book your flights, your hotels using your card or using your points. So right now I want to show you like right here there's some options. So you can book your hotel stays, your flights, activities, cars, cruises. And on this example, let me show you how to book your flights. So click flights, then it'll take you to this window, and here you need to put your destination, and also do you want to do it do you want to fly round trip or one way or multi-city. So just hover that and make sure to select the correct information. So for this example, let's do round trip. So let's do Los Angeles. So this is one of the hubs close to our area. So I live in the West Coast. So LAX is the airport code for Los Angeles International Airport. Then for the destination, let's just choose let's just say I want to go to Spain. So Madrid, Spain. MAD is the airport code. Then just figure out what your dates are. So I will just select February 5 of 2024 and coming back a week after, February 12. So you can also do non-stop, but I'll just leave that unchecked, and I will click search flights. Okay, so it'll take you to this window. So right here it'll give you a couple of options. So if you want to sort it by price to lowest, hit that. So you will see at the very top the lowest price available for your itinerary, and what I can see here, it's $690. So it's they have a promotional right here. Then if you scroll down, it gets expensive. So just pick whatever works for you, because sometimes even though this is cheap, there's a long layover or whatnot. So let's just say right here it's saying this is the best flight. So it's only a total flight time of 18 hours and 35 minutes. But if you scroll down right here, it's 30 hours for this flight, 34 hours here. What about this $800? So this is a little bit shorter. So it's 15 hours and 25 minutes. And it's a little bit more expensive, but pick whatever flight works for you. And a quick note too. So if you want to redeem points, if you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, so you will get 1.25 cents per point if you use your Chase Ultimate Rewards points. While if you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, you'll get 1.5 cents per point. So just trying to give you guys some information, some quick tip. And so once you figure out the flights that you want to book, so let's say for to keep it simple, we'll select the very top one. You will click on this. So anyhow, let me just check this. What is this promotional? So what's included? Oh, okay. So they have a couple options. So promotional, restricted, and flexible. So to know what's included, click on this drop down arrow. So it'll tell you for the promotional, you have checked in bags, carry on, no seat assignment, no ticket refund, and a ticket change, there will be there will be some fees involved. So for the restricted, you have the same benefit of promotional, but for the refund, you can get some refund but at a fee. But if you go flexible, you have the checked bags, carry on, no seat assignment still, but you will get the option to be refunded with your tickets, and also the if you want to change your flight schedule. So for now, let's say I have, I really wanted to fly on my specific dates and I want to save some money. I will click this, the $690, the promotional rate, choose flight, and going back to from Madrid to Los Angeles, I will just select the very top one first, but for you guys, feel free to browse and see what will work for your schedule. But to keep it simple, I'll just select the top one again, choose flight. Okay, and it'll ask you again if you want to go with the promotional rate or if you want to upgrade. So I will just stick with the promotional rate. All right, so here, double check all of this information, and if it's good, it'll ask you, it'll take you to this little section here. So if you have points, if you want to redeem your points, and let's say you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you will get 1.25 cents per point. So it will save you a little bit of money, if you go that route. So you can use your points, or you can pay it with your, a different card. Keep your points and pay 680 this in cash. So then enter traveler information. Just fill out the information here. Put in your passport information, TSA, pre-check number, and all that stuff. Then you can save traveler profile and contact information. Just put in your information here. So once you put all of your necessary information, click payment and review. Then here, it'll ask you for the payment information. So here, you can use your card, whatever card you want to use for paying this amount. Then fill out all of this information. Then make sure to review your trip one last time. Then scroll down, click on this, the agreement. Then once that is done, you can complete your checkout by pressing this button right here. So obviously this is disabled because I need to fill out this form, the credit card information, but you guys get the point. So that's it for today's video, and hopefully you guys learned something, and make sure to hit like and subscribe, and look out for the next how-to videos. Cheers!